Have you ever felt as though you could see beyond the physical world? Do you sense energy and people's emotions? Or do you have vivid dreams that appear to reveal deeper truths? It's possible that you're making use of your psychic powers. Clairvoyance is the ability to perceive things that are not visible to the senses, such as mental images, symbols, and visions. With work, anyone can develop this natural psychic ability. We'll walk you through the fundamentals of clairvoyance in this introductory guide, assisting you in developing your psychic vision and starting your ascent into a higher plane of consciousness. The literal translation of clairvoyance is clear eyesight. Clear vision is the ability to access inner mind images, colors, and visual experiences to obtain intuitive insight. These often symbolic visions may offer insights into the past, present, or future. It's about tuning into the higher planes of awareness, not about physical eyesight. Have you ever had a sudden vision or burst of images in your mind? Here are a few signs that suggest you might have psychic abilities. It is essential to have vivid dreams and a strong sense of imagination. I have no trouble picturing situations, things, or symbols. Look for color, movement, or light flashes out of your corner. Mental concepts guide emotion. These are often the tentative seeds of clairvoyance, waiting to be developed. Anyone can become more clairvoyant with practice. Here's how you can get started. Give your mind a break so that pictures can come to you. To activate your third eye, close your eyes and visualize the area growing between them. Visualization activities. To develop your internal muscle for mental imagery, visualize objects in your mind. Dream journaling. Write down your dreams, along with any symbols or images that come to mind. You'll grow more sensitive to the visions and images that come to you naturally with time. As you advance in your practice, bear in mind that clairvoyance frequently conveys information through metaphor and symbols. It is essential to learn to trust these cues. Put your trust in your gut feelings. Don't dismiss subtle visuals as just your imagination. You will gain clarity if you practice frequently. Ready to explore more psychic abilities? Join us at the Ethereal Psychic Development Academy for more in-depth lessons on clairvoyance, mediumship, and spiritual growth. Subscribe now and become part of our growing community of psychics.